In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover UniSwap password. First, an important reality check. UniSwap doesn't store your password, email, or any account data. It's a self-custody wallet and interface, which means there's no server to reset a password for you. Recovery works by restoring your wallet using your secret recovery phrase. If you don't have that phrase, UniSwap support cannot recover it for you, so keep it private and secure at all times. To get started, open the official UniSwap website in a trusted browser. Make sure you're on the correct domain and that your connection is secure before you proceed. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click the UniSwap wallet button. This opens the wallet flow. From here, choose the option that says I already have a wallet. This tells UniSwap that you're restoring an existing wallet rather than creating a new one, which is crucial for regaining access to your existing addresses and funds. Next, you'll be asked for your recovery phrase. Enter the words in the exact order, separated by single spaces, all lowercase, with no extra punctuation. Most phrases are 12 or 24 words long. Make sure you're typing in a private environment and never paste this phrase into chats, emails, or websites other than the official UniSwap interface. If you previously added an optional passphrase in your wallet, you'll need that as well, since it changes which accounts are derived from your phrase. After you've carefully entered the phrase, click Continue. The wallet will verify what you typed and begin restoring your accounts. This may take a moment. Once complete, you'll see your wallet in the interface and can resume using UniSwap as before. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to create a new local password on your device to protect access. Remember that local password can be changed later, but the recovery phrase is permanent, so store it offline in a safe place. To recap, you recover access by restoring with your secret recovery phrase. Open the UniSwap site, click the wallet button in the top right, choose I already have a wallet, enter your phrase carefully and continue. If you don't have the phrase, there isn't a way to reset a UniSwap password because UniSwap doesn't hold your credentials. Keep your phrase private, double check the site, and you'll be back up and running safely.